Alright, so it's day 3. My car's driving like shit. And Eric said that I could drive his vet. So we're gonna drive the boat right now. I'm like super excited because my next car that I build will be a vet. So we'll see what I'm getting myself into right now. Thank you, Eric.
Yeah.
Just got done driving this. I'll put the end car in right here and I have a couple outside videos. Thank you, Eric, again. I'll put his, do you have a YouTube channel or no?
I don't do YouTube. I got
no?
Instagram.
I'll do his Instagram right here. And don't be surprised if you see my car for sale or full part out or something, because this car felt so good that I have to get one. Like, it's like, I was freaking out. Like, it felt way too good and it's so clean. Like, everything just works. And all you have done is long tube headers and then drilled angle, right?
Just drilled and cut knuckles, and then the cage is done by under pressure fab up in Puyallup, Washington.
So a cage and a little knuckle mod and a hydro.
Inline hydro.
And you can have more fun than a Z. So don't be surprised if you see my car for sale.
Get on this fucking door and I fucking slam on the brakes.
Where'd you hit him?
What happened? Let's hear it. Let's hear it.
Dude, his car's perfectly fine and my car is.
Wait, did that shit go inside your car?
Yes, this shit fucking punched hole. Look, that's all that happened to his car. That's all.
Your shit is.
And mine's.
Hey, you shouldn't have done that last set of tires.
Yeah, I know. I mean.
All right, well,
Hey, fuck it, bud.
while they were driving, I guess they got themselves into some shit. Ethan really fucked his shit up.
This sucks.
Well, you're getting overs.
I know, but it means a bitch to mount overs on that.
Fuck. Oh, Rhonda, you're a fucking crinkle master.
Hey, you can straighten that shit. That's nothing.
Yeah, we'll pull it. But that kind of sucks. Good job, Isaiah.
That was moving,
Well,
bro.
we cleaned everything up. My car and Eddie's car is packed full of shit. I fit. We got one tire there, gas can, and a jack. And we got 3 tires back here, 4 jacks, all that shit. Car's still running like shit. And then I drove the vet, and I was like, damn, I don't even want to drive anything anymore. So we packed up everything. Day crashed. I think we're gonna call it a day. Are we gonna call it a day, you guys?
Yeah.
Yep. All right. So we're gonna load all the shit and head back home. All right. So we are all loaded up, packed up. Just got to the semi truck. My car's like an inch lower than it already was because of all this shit that happened here. Pound it.
It's already pounded.
Pound it. Oh, it's already pounded. All right, well, time to load up.
What's up?
AutoZone's calling you? Famous.
Hey, close this door.
All right, so we're all loaded up. Now we're gonna watch some skid racing. All right, well, I'm gonna wrap it with that. Parc Fest 2019. Like, comment, subscribe. We just did 5 minutes of burnouts. Fuck yeah. We got one more.